Hi, and welcome to our channel. My name is Diddy, and in this series of videos, we'll be covering the basics of Excel, a powerful tool for organizing, analyzing, and visualizing data. Excel is part of the Microsoft Office suite of productivity tools and is available for Windows, Mac, and in a web-based version. It allows you to create spreadsheets with rows and columns of data, as well as perform calculations and functions on that data. It also has a wide range of formatting and visualization options, making it easy to present your data in a clear and professional manner. In this Microsoft Excel tutorial, we will learn the Microsoft Excel basics. These Microsoft Excel notes will help you learn every MS Excel concepts. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced Excel user, there's something for everyone in this series. So let's start with the introduction. What is Microsoft Excel? Excel is a powerful spreadsheet program that allows you to organize, analyze, and present data in a clear and visual way. It is available for multiple operating systems, including Windows, Mac, Android, and iOS, making it accessible for users across a variety of platforms. In Excel, data is organized into a table with rows and columns. The columns are typically labeled with alphabetical letters, and the rows are typically labeled with numbers. The intersection of a column and a row is called a cell, and each cell has a unique address identified by the column letter and row number. With Excel, you can easily manipulate and analyze the data in these cells, making it a valuable tool for organizing and presenting data in a professional manner. Why should I learn Microsoft Excel? Microsoft Excel is a powerful tool for managing your finances. It allows you to easily record, analyze, and store numeric data, helping you make informed decisions about your income and expenses. Excel provides a range of features and tools, including functions and formulas, pivot tables, and charting tools, to help you analyze and visualize your financial data. Start using Excel today to take control of your finances and make smart financial decisions. Where can I get Microsoft Excel? Microsoft Excel is a powerful spreadsheet program that can be obtained in various ways. You can purchase it from a physical store or online through the Microsoft website. It is also included in the Microsoft Office suite of productivity tools. In this tutorial, we will be covering various topics related to Microsoft Excel. 1. Understanding the ribbon. 2. Understanding the worksheet. 3. Customization Microsoft Excel environment. 4. Important Excel shortcuts. How to open Microsoft Excel? We will be showing you how to open Excel in computer. To open Excel on your computer, follow these steps. Click on the Start menu. Type Excel in the search bar. As you type, all programs starting with those letters will be listed. Click on Microsoft Excel to launch the program. Now we need understanding the ribbon. The ribbon in Microsoft Excel is a toolbar located at the top of the program that provides quick access to various features and tools. It is divided into tabs, each of which contains a group of related commands. To use a command from the ribbon, simply click on the tab that contains the command you want, and then click on the command itself. The ribbon is an important part of the Excel interface and is designed to make it easier for users to find and access the tools and features they need. Now need to know also ribbon components explained. The ribbon in Microsoft Excel is a toolbar located at the top of the program that provides quick access to various features and tools. It consists of the following elements. Ribbon Start button. This button is used to access various commands such as creating new documents, saving existing work, printing, and accessing the options for customizing Excel. Ribbon tabs. These tabs are used to group similar commands together. The Home tab, for example, contains basic commands for formatting and manipulating data, while the Insert tab contains commands for inserting objects into a worksheet. Ribbon bar. These bars are used to group similar commands within a tab. For example, the alignment ribbon bar contains all the commands related to aligning data within a worksheet. By familiarizing yourself with the ribbon and its various elements, you can quickly access the tools and features you need to work effectively in Excel. We hope this tutorial has been helpful in getting you started with Excel. If you have any questions or need further guidance, please don't hesitate to ask in the comments below. We wish you the best of luck as you begin using Excel to manage and analyze your data.